Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Product. Today, we're checking out the best 4K camera drone for creators and explorers, the JJRC KF104 Max. Let's dive into its top features, pros, cons, and why it might be your next favorite drone. Let's get started. Product features. Design and build quality. Right out of the box, the JJRC KF104 Max feels premium and well-built. It's designed for durability, with a lightweight yet sturdy frame that can withstand wind and occasional bumps. The foldable arms make it super easy to carry, whether you're hiking up a mountain or just heading to the park. Advanced stabilization system. Now let's talk about one of its most impressive features. The 3-axis brushless gimbal combined with electronic image stabilization. This advanced stabilization system ensures smooth, shake-free footage even in dynamic or windy flying conditions. Whether you're shooting a fast-moving subject or flying through tight spaces, your footage remains cinematic and professional. Camera quality. This drone isn't just about flight, it's built to capture magic. The 4K HD camera delivers stunning, color-accurate images and vivid video. Thanks to the EIS and cinema-grade lens, your recordings maintain clarity and detail even during high-speed maneuvers. What's even more impressive is its non-destructive color restoration and self-stabilizing head, making every shot look beautifully natural. Flight performance and range. The KF104 Max boasts an extended range of up to 5 kilometers, supported by a flagship-grade transmission system. This means a strong, stable signal, even in environments where buildings or obstacles could interfere. You'll have full confidence while flying, whether you're in the city or out in the wild. Intelligent flight modes. The JJRC KF104 Max is packed with smart flight features that make flying both easier and more creative. With GPS follow and image follow, it can track subjects effortlessly. Trajectory flight lets you draw custom flight paths, while fixed point surround captures smooth panoramic shots. Gesture recognition and one-key return add extra ease, making it perfect for beginners. Night flight capabilities. Unlike many drones that struggle at night, the KF104 Max shines, literally. It features a bottom projector and night vision light, making nighttime shooting not only possible but impressively clear. Whether you're planning a surprise proposal, party, or just want to capture a city skyline at night, this drone has you covered. Pros. Smooth, stabilized 4K footage. Long 5-kilometer range with strong signal. Multiple intelligent flight modes. Great for both day and night use. Can be used creatively beyond just filming. User-friendly for all skill levels. Cons. Battery life may vary depending on flight mode. Not waterproof, so avoid flying in heavy rain. Requires initial calibration before first use. Final thoughts. To wrap it up, the JJRC KF104 Max is more than just a drone. It's a feature-packed aerial camera system that delivers excellent value. Whether you're a filmmaker, hobbyist, or just someone who loves exploring from the skies, this drone has the tools to elevate your experience. Check the price link in the description for the best deal. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews right here on Tech Product. Thanks for watching.